Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chrissy and this is my first English teaching vlog. Because I'm on holiday and I'm in my hotel room, I decided to show you around. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to move the drying rack. This is called a net door. It protects us from mosquitoes coming inside. Okay, let's hop inside. What I can see is a flat screen TV with many chargers underneath. This is a small drawer with a bunch of random stuff inside, like pens and our card key holder. We've got a European socket right here. We've got a light switch and an AC unit. Moving on to this section here, we've got an L-shaped couch with a bunch of cushions. We've got a coffee table with many devices on top. This is our own stuff. We brought our laptops. This is an external hard drive for my pictures and videos. This is my portable microphone set. This is a portable light. I use this clipper to stick it to my phone. I've got my camera, a mouse, and that's about it. In here, we've got a small desk that you can actually use as a vanity table to do your makeup. This is a chair with some storage space underneath. All right. We've got a lint roller. You know, you can use this one to clean up your clothes from any lint, any unwanted hair. You just roll it on top and voila. We've got some remote controls in here, my sunglasses. We've got a tiny mirror on the wall. Right, so this desk is attached to some more storage space where my suitcases and a bunch of other bags, a proper mess. Moving on to the bed area. We've got a king-sized bed, my boyfriend's pouch, some towels, some bed sheets, pillows. This is called a nightstand. There are some notebooks and books underneath. We've got more sockets, chargers, phones, a tablet. We've got a landline phone. I don't think they make them anymore. We've got the door and a doorknob with my cap hanging on it. There we go. Just do it, right? That's the motto. Okay, moving on to the kitchenette area. It's called a kitchenette because it's small. That's the difference between a kitchen and a kitchenette. The kitchenette has just the basics, like some drawers, a sink. Usually they have stoves, but there is no stove in here. This is a small wardrobe with our stuff inside. Also, this is called a hanger. I've already hung my clothes, so I'm just going to put it back. Bathroom. We've got some toiletries in the bathroom. These are called toiletries, soaps and shampoos and shower gels. A hair dryer attached to the wall. We've got the shower space. Okay, let's go out. Right, one last thing that I wanted to show you is this part in here. This is our key card for the room. If you insert it in this space, electricity goes on. If you take it out, electricity goes off. It has a delayed response. Okay guys, now that I've showed you a little bit of the room, I'm gonna go on a hike. So I'll see you in my next video. Hey.
So listen, all you gotta know, this is where the balcony hangout area is. We got the table, we got the chairs for the real Batman business to go on. Got the ashtray with a bunch of icicles. Got my ice. Stay woke.